A year ago, we set sail on an incredible journey from Legato to Carelon, making a bold move into a transformative future. A grand revelation that became a treat for our eyes and an extravaganza that was etched in our memories forever. From building state of the art infrastructure to expanding our talent pool and maximizing value for our stakeholders, we wove a narrative of long lasting relationships. We fostered a culture of innovation, learning, and customer centricity. We nurtured a diverse culture with a unique workforce and forged a sense of empathy and true belongingness. As we look back, it's not just the milestones we achieved, but the bonds we formed, the lessons we learned, and the triumph we shared with each success. Here's to a year of passion, perseverance, and togetherness. Here's to us.